Hello class 9th, welcome back dear student. This is the video number 22 of chapter number 1, the fundamental unit of life, cell. In this video, we will study about the structure and function of endoplasmic reticulum, ER. So let's see the structure and function and occurrence of endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is also written as ER in the short form. It is a large network of membrane bound tubes and sheet. Okay, it is a large network of membrane bound tube and sheet. It looks like long tubules or round or bag like structure. Looks like long vesicles or bag like, tubules like or rounded structure. Okay, endoplasmic reticulum membrane is just similar to the membrane of plasma membrane. Okay, so ER membrane is just equivalent to membrane of plasma membrane. Endoplasmic reticulum is absent in the red blood cell of mammal, RBC of mammal do not have endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, this endoplasmic reticulum is of two types: rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum means with ribosome. If ribosome is attached on the surface of ER, so it is rough endoplasmic reticulum. And if the ribosome is not attached to the surface of the ER, means without ribosome, so it is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. When we see the endoplasmic reticulum by electron microscope, so ribosome is attached on their some tubules and surface, so it looks like rough appearance. That's why it is said to be rough endoplasmic reticulum. And those tubules do not attach the ribosomes on their membrane or their surface, so they are known as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It is a double membranous structure. Okay, so see, this is the structure of endoplasmic reticulum having, see, this is the nucleus. Okay, and the outer membrane of the nucleus is formed the folding of many membrane which is form the tubules and sheet. So this is the membrane of endoplasmic reticulum having, see the labeling of the diagram here. This is the nuclear envelope, this is the nucleus, and this is the nucleolus, and this tubule with ribosomes. See, these small dotted structure is known as ribosomes, and these tubules are known as rough endoplasmic reticulum. And those tubules do not have the ribosomes, they are known as smooth endoplasmic reticulum, SER. And these smooth endoplasmic reticulum release or secrete some vesicles, some bag-like structure, small bag-like structure. So these endoplasmic reticulum is made up by three type of part, which is as follow. First one is the cisternae, the sheet structure, that is known as cisternae with ribosomes. Second one is the vesicle. Vesicle is just look like this, and then tubules. You see here, these are the tubules. So vesicles, tubules and cisternae is collectively mixed together and form the endoplasmic reticulum structure, which is a skeletal system of the cell. So this is the structure of ER. Now see the function of ER. ER provides supporting framework of the cell. It supports the cell and it gives the mechanical framework to the cell. It provides the pathway for distribution of the nuclear material to the cell. It provides the pathway from the nuclear material to the cell. Any things goes to the cytoplasm, through nucleus to the cytoplasm, goes through these endoplasmic reticulum. So it provides the pathway for the distribution of nuclear material, either it is protein or either it is DNA or either it is RNA or anything, to the cell through this. Third function is smooth endoplasmic reticulum synthesize lipid, cholesterol, and steroid. Okay, basically it synthesize the lipid. So smooth ER help to synthesize the lipid. Then rough endoplasmic reticulum transport the protein which is synthesized by ribosome. Ribosome is synthesized the protein, and this protein is transported by the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum also play a very vital role. It detoxifies many drugs and poisons of the cell. So smooth ER detoxify the many drugs and poisons of the cell. So these are the main function of endoplasmic reticulum. So this is all about video number 22 and endoplasmic